Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you a style of dance called waving. Waving is a style of dance that comes under the street dance title popping. Popping has all sorts of styles and waving is one of them. Waving is about creating imaginary waves with your body. I'm going to show you have to wave dance using your arms. It's actually quite simple, but it looks hard. It's about making the shape of the waves using your arms. It just takes a lot of practice. You want it to look as smooth as possible. How do you get started? I'll show you. We'll focus on the hands first. Start with your palm out. Curl your fingers over like this. Watch again. Then the wave needs to continue down your arm. Move your elbow up. Then push the energy to your shoulder, back to the hand. How do you move your elbow upwards? A lot of people wonder how you do that. You have to twist your arm. When you practice the wave, remember to twist your arm. It's the same on this side. Start from the hand. It's important to imagine the waves moving along a line. The waves have high points. The wrist becomes a high point. The arm becomes a low point. Then the elbow is a high point. Then the shoulder. It's the same on the left side. Always start with your palm facing out. Break it down into 4 movements. First movement, curl your fingers. That's 1. 3. The shoulder is 4, then back the other way. 6, 7, 8. On the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, back again. 5, 6, 7, 8. You end with both arms stretched out. Now try going along both arms and back again. 8 moves across both arms. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's practice that again. When you've worked out each separate movement, try and link them together. You don't need to add any other movements. The movements just need to flow. The first movement should flow into the second movement. Don't stop after each movement. Keep it smooth. Each movement should flow into the next. It should be really smooth. Don't stop after each movement. The movement should merge into each other. Great. Let's practice that again, just on one side. Remember, it's about pushing the energy. Push the movement through the arms to the shoulder. Push towards the shoulder, then back down the arm. It's the same on the other side. Now both arms. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to click like on the Deaf Motion Facebook page and click subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.